American Multi-Cinema to reserve top seats for loyalty members only. AMC is reviving the idea of better seats, though not in the form it tested and dropped in 2023. On a recent earnings call, Chairman Adam Aron said the chain will begin blocking what it considers the best seats in each auditorium and reserve them first for top loyalty members, A-List and Stubs Premiere. The rollout is planned for 2026. AMC did not specify which seats qualify as best. In 2023, the company tested a program called Sightline at AMC, which priced prime middle rows higher and discounted front seats. That experiment was scrapped after customer backlash. This time, there's no added charge. Instead, access to those seats will be tied to membership. A-List, AMC's highest tier, lets members watch up to 4 movies per week in any format. In 2025, prices increased to $27.99 per month in New York and California, and between $19.99 and $25.99 in other states. Stubs Premiere, which includes waived online ticketing fees and concession perks, costs $17.99 per month. The move comes as attendance remains uneven. AMC reported a 10% drop in end-of-year 2025 attendance, with quarterly revenue at $1.28 billion, down 1.4% year-over-year. To drive traffic, AMC has leaned on promotions. Last summer, it introduced 50% off tickets on Tuesdays and Wednesdays for Stubs members. The new seating perk continues that strategy, rewarding frequent customers instead of changing base ticket prices. The industry is still recovering from the pandemic slowdown, labor strikes, and streaming growth. Studios and theater chains are counting on a stronger 2026 slate to help. Expected releases include Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey, Marvel's Spider-Man Brand New Day, and Avengers Doomsday, and Disney and Pixar's Toy Story 5. For AMC, the strategy is straightforward. Prioritize prime seats for loyal members and rely on a blockbuster 2026 lineup to bring audiences back.